So, hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are, guys. Welcome to this channel. And today, as you have seen, we are going to learn how to create a website within 10 minutes. Any kind of website you will want to learn. And we are going to be using our Visual Studio Code. This is it. This is our Visual Studio Code. Yeah, this is where we are going to use, or what we are going to use, our Visual Studio Code. That is where we are going to write our code. And yeah, so let's begin without wasting time. You go to ChatGPT and then you type, or you ask him to give you anything. So for example, you want to build a website of your portfolio. You just ask him, hey, uh, I want to create a portfolio website. So, and this is the response. And then now you give him instructions. Like, let's start with the header, and it's going to give you the header and everything, the header, the code. Just ask him to give you the code, the HTML code. So here is the basic structure of our website. So you just copy there, as you've seen, and then you go back to your VS Code, and then you type index.html. That is it. And then you paste and then you save. The next thing is you're going to open this with the live server and see the basic structure of your website. The basic structure of your website. So let's wait as it is loading. It's slow. It is slow, but it is going to open. So this is it. This is it. It's still loading. It is still loading. Wait. Yeah, this is it. This is a basic structure of your portfolio. As you can see, your name, and then the home, about, and projects, and then contact. So now you can customize this however you want inside your VS Code. So you can go to write your name, for example. My name is Ed, so you can write Ed. And then all of these links here, guys, you can link to the pages you are going to create. For example, we have created the links to our home page, about, projects, and contact. That's the basic thing. And later on, you're going to still ask your friend here, ChatGPT. Yes, you're going to ask your friend ChatGPT to give you the CSS. So you go back to your AI, and then you ask him to give you, or give me, the CSS. So this is the CSS part. You copy, and then you go back to your VS Code and create a file named style.css, and then you paste it here. Then you go back to your index and link it is here. You just change that to style.css, and then you save and save, and then you go back to your browser and see the changes that you have made. There is it. This is our portfolio. Yeah, this is the first header that we have created, and that's basically how you're going to begin creating your other part of your website. This is where you're going to include your about, your projects, also your contacts. Maybe, for example, you can ask our AI to create a footer. Create a footer. So as you can see, it is creating two responses, so we can choose one. Let's choose this one. We copy this one, and then we go back to our VS Code, and then we paste it here. That is it. And then we go back to our AI and copy the CSS part of our footer. Copy it here, and then we go back to our VS Code, and then we include the footer. That is it. And then we save, and then we go back and see what or how our website looks like. So currently it's not yet, so we have some errors. That is it. So you can see our footer is not yet visible. That is it, guys. That is how to build a website in less than 10 minutes. See you in our next class.